Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Salesforce and Thryv. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Salesforce and Thryv, they both target two very different users. Salesforce is ideal for large business that need powerful automation, detailed analytics, and deep AI customization. It's an industry leaders with advanced AI tools. It can feel overwhelming for beginners and comes with a steeper price. Thryv, on the other hand, is built with small business wanting a simple all-in-one CRM for managing client, booking, payment, and it's easy to use and quick to set up, but lack Salesforce depth and scalability. So my opinion, Salesforce wins for big teams and advanced users, while Thryv is perfect for small business owners who value simplicity and affordability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.